Hey guys, all right, man, I got a simple house for you, a very simple Tico house. This is the basics of the basics. But you know what? We put these houses on because some people are looking for basic. You know, we try to put stuff on our channel that you just don't find anywhere else, and I guarantee you're not going to find this anywhere else. But it's basic. We're going to get to it in a minute. Hey guys, I'm Michael Allen for Travel Costa Rica Now Real Estate. Hey, we're trying to grow this channel. Please subscribe just to help us out. Even if you don't want to see houses, you know, just because you subscribe doesn't mean YouTube's going to show you videos. You actually got to hit the notification bell to see videos as we put them up. But remember, we do more than just sell houses. We're talking to construction workers, people that are building down here, other gringos, real estate lawyers, everything. So we have a lot of information on this site, so you can make a good decision whether Costa Rica is even right for you. Should you build? Should you not? Should you buy a pre-existing? Whatever. Now, also, if you live here and you want to sell your piece of land, your condo by the beach, your business, write us and we'll see how we can help you sell your stuff. All right, so let's do this. Where are we? We're about 9-minute drive from La Fortuna Central. 9 minutes drive. This place is called Zona Fluca. All right, let's turn this around, get off my. All right, there's everybody. See, there's D'Angelo. There's our other guy. Say hi, Dan. Say hi, Eric. This is a little access road right here. If you take a left right there, you're on the main thing that goes into La Fortuna. Again, 10 minutes away. There's also a school there, a bus stop there, and a mini market. So you're close to, if you need some bread and milk, just a minute walk right there. All right, so let's go check this out. Remember, this is basic, guys, basic. This is a very small property. The house, it's on 250 square meters. It doesn't come with the car. So there's really no manicured yard here. There's some over here. I guess that looks nice, but the yard would need a little bit of work, I think, to make it dialed in a little more. Okay, you got a big overhang roof right here. Big overhang roof. Now, they haven't done anything here, but let's think outside the box. If you're interested in this house, this could all be concreted out right here. And you could have another living room out here, which is what I would do. I'd have a sofa out here and everything. But anyway, very easy to make this nicer, this area, right? That's a neighbor. I guess there's a lot right there that nobody's at. So it's not private. I mean, there's obviously people around. Okay, so let's go in now. If you don't know anything about Tico houses, they're extremely basic. They use concrete, and it's the thinner concrete. It's not like the big fat blocks. It's the thinner one, but it you know, it lasts a long time, so it's not bad. All right, so now everything you see in here, it comes with it. So it comes with the table, comes with the TV, comes with all this stuff here. This is the living room. All right, again, basic. Let's make this a little bigger. All right. So living room, basic tiles, basic tiles. Before we go over in this way, we're going to go over here. I guess we could call this the master bedroom. Also comes with this TV. Just the TVs themselves, you know, might be a couple thousand actually, at least here in Costa Rica. Now, if you know anything about Costa Rica houses, they almost never put closets in them, you know, like a space. So you have to usually buy like an armoire or some place to hang your clothes and put your, you know, your t-shirts and stuff. So they have this armoire in here. This bedroom has its own bathroom. Basic, right? Ah, famous suicide shower. Yeah, those do work good, by the way. Simple, practical, total Tico. All right, let's go this way. So this is, I guess, is the kitchen area or the dining area. Small, comes with the refrigerator. This is another bathroom, separate bathroom. All right, got everything here. Another suicide shower. So here's the kitchen. Got a microwave, got the cabinets. Basic, basic, basic. Let's go back here. You know, a washer dryer in Costa Rica is gold. I love my washer dryer. Try to hang clothes out here. Got to always worry about the rain every now and then, but comes with the washer dryer, but not sure. Okay, they got this is also like a bedroom with some bunk beds. Got the armoire again here. But again, the washer dryer, that's gold. This is your non-backyard. Got some neighbors there. Again, basically the house is the whole property, 250 square meters, right? So it's three, did we look in this one? This is the, so there's 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. Hola. All right, so that's it, man. So this guy is asking 52,000. I personally believe there's wiggle room there. This is a basic Tico house. I think you might be able to get that price a little cheaper than that. Don't tell him I said that. All right, guys. You know what? You know, again, we try to show you these houses so you have options. You know, we put up nice, really nice houses. We do basic stuff. We do all kinds of things. And this just happens to be on the basic side of things. But people like me, I love basic. I love the simple. I like the cheap. So I definitely would do something out here, though, for sure. This area, because that's got a nice big overhang. All right, guys, 52,000. Hey, if you're interested in this house, want to know more information about it, either check out the description or write us at info@TravelCostaRica now, and we will get back with you. I'm Michael Allen, Travel Costa Rica Now Real Estate. Peace, guys. Ciao.